June 2022. Return to Rodini Park. Well, things have improved. The bridge has been repaired and all screwed back together. Solid enough?
Yes, absolutely.
Let's hope the other bridges have all been repaired. Well, it must prove it's now repaired, because I don't think you'd sit on there a few years ago like that. You can't jump in and get those, can you? A nice tasty fish. The loose and damaged panels over the bridge have now been replaced and it's safe to walk over. You can now actually walk along holding onto the barriers without them falling in on you, or you fall into the water. The posts are now all anchored well into the wall. Yet another bridge to go and try out. Seats have all been repaired, no missing planks, and quite safe to sit on. The cafe and the old toilets have still not been repaired, and the decking in front of the cafe area has not been repaired. Well, not all the fences have been repaired. Both sides of this are quite solid, but there's a little bit here that is a mess. And of course you do get the natural obstacles over your path. Well, the obstacle seems to be rotten woodworm. Little holes all over it. You can hear the tree creaking as it bends. Well, we're going to walk through this cave and come out the other end. The cave with a picnic table.
We finished our walk through Rodini Park in Rhodes.